Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to buy crypto in Phantom Wallet. Firstly, open your Phantom Wallet either mobile or desktop. Click on Buy from the wallet dashboard. Select Solana from the list and enter the amount you wish to purchase in USD. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Select your payment provider, Coinbase, Pay, Stripe, Robinhood, Unlimit, or Clapper. Just use Coinbase Pay because it's often preferred for its user-friendly interface. Click the Buy button to proceed. You'll be redirected to the Coinbase on-ramp page. Click Buy with the debit card. You can purchase up to $500 of Solana per week using debit card. Confirm the amount you want to buy, then click Continue to Payment to proceed. Enter your payment method and use the cell phone to verification purposes. Click Continue to move to the next step and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, your Solana will appear in your Phantom Wallet and you will receive a confirmation notification. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.